Hey guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Guys, something really shocking happened last night between Erica and Laycon. See what Erica was caught doing with Laycon after breakup with Kid Wire.
I'm sorry.
Big Brother Naija lockdown housemates Erica and Laycon were caught on camera last night hugging passionately and sharing kisses. This happened just a few hours after Kid Wire and Erica, long-term partners in the house, broke up. Laycon was there telling Erica, "I'm sorry." When she asked why he was sorry, he replied, "I don't know, but I'm sorry." As they continued holding each other tightly, Laycon had always expressed his love for Erica and sees himself as the best man for her. People thought he had given up what was seen to be a wild goose chase before now, but it seems hopes have returned following yesterday's development. Recall that Erica had recently berated Laycon for gossiping about her with others. This was after Laycon was pained by Erica's rejection as the Abia-born female housemate picked Kidwaya over him. Erica had once made it clear that while she is mentally attracted to Laycon, she is physically attracted to her lover, Kidwaya. So after the breakup yesterday, she went back to her mental attraction, which is Laycon, and they both apologized to themselves. And then she said to Laycon that she regretted picking Kid Wire. That was a very stupid decision for her. So guys, what do you think about this Laycon and Erica's relationship? Do you think anything could still happen between them? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.